Okay guys, I'm in Sidemen region of the Karangasem Regency. Today I want to go explore about the Sidemen. The one part of Sidemen I will go to at a Gembleng Waterfall, one of the famous waterfall in Sidemen. And the view in Sidemen still natural. The view also very stunning here, and really good for your healing, make your brain so light from the stressful activity in the city. It's really cool. It's around the rice field here. On the back, you look on the back, it's really so much rice field. It's awesome, yeah. Sidemen is always make me happy here. Stay tuned, and I will go to Gembleng Waterfall with me. This moment I want to tell you, guys, Sidemen good to visiting because when you visiting Sidemen, you will make so much activity like maybe you can walking around the rice field, going to the Gembleng Waterfall, going to the river, enjoy the clear waters, having some restaurant here. It's very good, and enjoy the nature here. It's very good nature. It will be different than the other part of the Bali. Sidemen will be new experiences for you, and I want to explore a little bit now about the part of the Sidemen is the name of the place is the Gembleng Waterfall. Stay tuned. Okay, we just arrived in the Gembleng Waterfall. Look at that. Now I want to go to Gembleng Waterfall. This is my first time here. Yeah, that is the Barong Gats. It's very good. This is parking area for the wisatawan. It's very stunning. It's very good. Okay, we walk up to the waterfall above through this jungle. This is the famous waterfall maybe in Sidemen. Still very quiet and still very natural here. You look inside of me, in the right or in the left, so much tree and the chill water. If you come here, maybe you just need a little donation for this place. Maybe whatever you give to the donation, it's up to you. from the bottom to above to reach the waterfall is around in 55 minutes. Look at the waterfall. If you walk with the stair one by one, it's really good place here. Nice, you know, good place and good to make it some hand picture, little adventure for you. Gembleng Waterfall, you must visit it, you know. At the waterfall is very beauty. It's very cool, you know. Still the jungle here. You must be visiting here to make your relax your brain. Look the purple activity in the city. Yeah. We continue to climb stairs again to reach the top of the waterfall. I think the top of the waterfall is very high expectation for me. It's good view here and good atmosphere, natural atmosphere especially. Looking behind me is that the waterfall, you know. From the above to the going down with the sound of the water, it make your very chill here. It's really relaxed, you know. No sound of the traffic, no sound of the crowdedness. You just sound like nature, water, plant in around here, the palm tree. It's very calm, chill and relaxed. Okay, this way guys, there are someone to make it a picture that is very you be must careful here because little bit slidey, little bit wet. Wow, it's very good. Nice view guys. We arrived in the top of the waterfall. You can look behind me. It's very nice view. It's very stunning, full of the nature here. It's wonderful Indonesia. You can look behind me guys. That is waterfall. It's very nice view here. Wow, it's amazing. Look the sound of the water guys. It make me feel relaxed. The sound of the water. Someone getting photo there. It's very stunning photo guys. Look at this water guys. It's very nice view. It's very stunning, very good and nice place here. You will be enjoy if you visiting here. We're going to above guys to see the picture. What will be can see in the top. It's really good place. You have to visiting here. Guys, we in the top of the place. It's very fantastic place for to visiting. It's a bit far, but it's worth it. Little adventure for you. It's good. There is a restaurant here. If you want to enjoy the food or the drink, you can eat, you know. It's very fantastic. So guys, that's it for this video today. The adventure of Gembleng Waterfall. It's very fantastic place. It's very wonderful. you will become here if you had a stressful activity in the city. Look at the back. I look from here. The distance is very far. If you look distance very far, you maybe will be more relaxed for your brain with the calm the situation here, and you will get more inspiration maybe to get here. I think that's enough for this video for the adventures. Maybe I will make another video for you with another place, the part of the especially in Bali, usually because I live in Bali and it's very fantastic, you know. And see you in another video. Thank you.